Bullish Theta organization. Theta cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.23 and $6.11 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $2.52 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.57508. Theta organization. Theta presentation. Theta's local digital money is additionally called Theta. Theta the symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: ordinary hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Standard hubs procure rewards for sharing their assets, while Watchman hubs acquire significantly bigger prizes for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a unified area. This lessens idleness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic, with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by disseminating traffic among numerous ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The principal thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transmission capacity and figuring assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can decrease inactivity and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement component that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage furnishes excellent streams with low inertness, and clients can acquire compensations for giving transmission capacity assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The advantages of Theta. So what are the advantages of utilizing Theta? First off, Theta expects to be more effective than customary video real-time stages. By using edge servers and asset sharing, Theta can decrease both idleness and expenses. The subsequent advantage is expanded decentralization. By permitting clients to share transfer speed and processing assets, Theta makes a more decentralized network that is less helpless against controller assault. At long last, Theta likewise accompanies its local token, Theta, which can be utilized to buy labor and products on the stage, or marked for remunerations. Theta value estimate. The Theta organization vows to change the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients prizes for sharing their transmission capacity assets. The local digital currency of the organization is Theta token, Theta, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022, and then some. Theta has proactively taken incredible steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These triumphs have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through the greater part of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. To begin with, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional excellent streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations embrace endeavor conferencing fueled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul speculation because of its solid essentials. Theta organization is as of now worth $0.71885 United States dollars. Theta has moved 2.83% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $16,147,699. Theta organization is as of now position 60 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $718,850,467 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization. Theta To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going, there are a few justifications for why we accept that Theta has the potential for huge development before long. The quantity of web clients, first and foremost, keeps on developing quickly, particularly in nations like India and China. Also, use levels in created markets like the US are as of now very high. However, there is still space for development as additional individuals become open to utilizing on the web administrations. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Theta organization, Theta, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Theta. The Theta cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.08. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous. However, no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.01 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $0.862621. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Theta organization, Theta cost forecast has a lot of space for development because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives. We guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $1.80. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.44 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.58. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.52, and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.30 and a low of $2.16 in 2025. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2026. Assuming that Theta organization effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.23, with a base cost of $2.88 and a typical cost of $3.02. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.74 by 2027. With a base cost of $3.59 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $3.95. Theta organization, Theta.